Okay, hey everyone. I'm gonna try to make this video real quick. This is what I got at CVS today. This was $11.94. You get $3 back in extra care bucks. These were buy one get $2 extra care bucks. I had a buy one get one free coupon, and then $1 off coupon. The Degree and Cleardale, there was a coupon where you buy this, you get this free. And on all these, I had $3 off Pillies. So even though these were free, I was able to use the $3 off at CVS. And then on the Suave shampoos and conditioners in the newspaper, there was buy one get one free coupons, and then I used two $2 off coupons for the free products. So I got all that, everything. I used a 20% off coupon from CVS, and then I used a $4 off 20. And after all the coupons and everything, my total came out to $285, and I had a money card, so I used that. And then I got back like I want to say like $14 in extra care bucks. No, $19 in extra care bucks. So yeah, that was a pretty good haul for me.